Have you ever applied for an auto loan, a credit card, or a mortgage and have your phone blown up by hundreds of people trying to solicit your business? That is due to something called trigger leads, and it's time we put an end to this. My name is Carlden Lainfiesta, the Mortgage Fiesta. I help people get mortgages, buy, refinance, get home equity loans, but today I'm here to talk to you more about something that affects all of us, which is trigger leads. So what's a trigger lead? A trigger lead is when you apply for an auto loan, a home loan, or a credit card, and the bureaus, which is Equifax, TransUnion, and Experian, they sell your information to other companies that offer a similar service. So for example, if you're applying for an auto loan and you have your credit pulled, those bureaus, Equifax, TransUnion, and Experian, they can sell your information to another auto company, or in most cases, hundreds of other auto companies that will start to contact you to try to earn your business. Now, it sounds pretty good, right? Not typically. Getting hundreds of phone calls over 1 to 2 to 3 days can be super annoying. It's life altering, and it could really piss you off. So what I'm advising you to do to stop that, and this is regardless if you're applying for something right now or may in the future, go to optoutprescreen.com, www.optprescreen.com, and opt out electronically for 5 years. What that'll basically do is it'll stop allowing other bureaus or creditors to view your information, what you have going on. So essentially, if you apply for an auto loan, they won't have access to that information and do not have permission to solicit you. As well as if you are receiving things like pre-approved credit cards in the mail, you'll stop receiving those offers. You'll have to apply to what you want. So creditors won't have access to doing soft pulls on your credit without your permission, which is actually happening in the background without you even knowing. So Carlden Lainfiesta, the Mortgage Fiesta. Yes, I do mortgages, but if I don't protect you guys financially, you won't be able to get there. And there is a rumor that it might even help your credit score. Call me if you need me, and have a great day.